Ever feel like saying yes to everything and feel that it's the oxygen mask of life? You can barely breathe unless you agree to every request, every project, every social invite. But guess what? This mask is leaking. Today, we're ripping it off and diving into the unexpected joys of saying no. We've all been there, haven't we? Saying yes out of guilt, obligation, or even a twisted sense of self-worth. But guess what? It's time to challenge that myth. Saying yes to everything isn't the key to success. It's the recipe for burnout. That's where selective negativity comes in. It's not about becoming Ebenezer Scrooge. It's about prioritizing your well-being by saying no to the right things. Remember that extra project I took on at work, thinking it would make me look like a superstar? Spoiler alert, it just made me a sleep-deprived, tear-stained mess. But when I finally said no to the next one, guess what? I spent that time reconnecting with my family and my happiness went through the roof. And it's not just about work. Remember that social event I said no to, feeling like I'd miss out on all the fun? Turns out the universe had other plans. Instead, I stumbled upon a local art class I'd always wanted to try, and now I'm painting masterpieces. Well, mostly abstract splatters, but it's so much fun. So now, how do you say no like a boss? First, set boundaries, know your limits, and don't let anyone guilt trip you past them. Second, communicate effectively. Be clear, direct, and express appreciation for the offer. Finally, ditch the guilt. Remember, saying no isn't selfish, it is self-loving. Saying no can be the yes to a happier and more fulfilling life. It's not about missing out, it's about making space for what truly matters. So, go forth, dear friends, and embrace the unexpected joys of saying no. Your sanity and well-being will thank you. Friends, if you like this content, please subscribe and share this video. Your likes and subscriptions make a world of difference to me. I'm a content creator and this is my reward. Many thanks and see you next time.